back to Operation Kit Kat. What we've done so far is identified everything we need to know. And if we were organized as we went, this will be pretty easy. What we're going to do is turn on only the layers we need to know. So my home base, my area of operation, my key locations, my lessons learned. I think I'm going to turn off this path. That's last year's path. I don't need that. And I don't need this polygon because we're not going there. This is what I need. All right, I'm going to zoom in to our home base. Now, staying organized as we go, I'm going to right click, add a new folder. This is going to be this year's route. And I'm going to right click on that folder right here and add a path. I'm going to go ahead and make it a path that shows up pretty good. I think I'm going to do a dark red line and make the width pretty quick or pretty thick. There we go. All right, move this box out of the way and I'm going to start drawing. We're going to start at the home base location. We're going to go to Mr. B's house, and then we're going to zigzag back and forth across this street to hit all the houses. All right, now I'm to the edge of my Google Earth screen. I'm going to use the arrows on my keyboard to click back and forth to be able to navigate. We're now going to go down this street and hit all these houses. Hit our friend E, hit her house, and then we're going to go down this street and zigzag. But we're going to skip this cul-de-sac because it hasn't been good to us in years past. Now we're going to come here. Move my screen a little bit more. And now we're going to go down this street. We go here to here to here. And now there's a path right about here that's going to take us into the neighborhood that we want to see here that we haven't been to before. And we're going to go down this street. Get down to the edge of this cul-de-sac, come around, and now we're going to come back and hit all these houses. Come on back, come back and hit this path, and now go down these streets and zigzag back and forth to hit all the houses. We're going to hit Miss K's house, Mr. A's house, and then hit these last couple houses, and we're here. This we're going to call this year's route. Oops. Without the fat finger mistakes. There we go. But if I zoom out, you'll notice we have one more location over here. Here are all the houses we're going to hit. Then we're going to come back to the home base, drop off all of our candy because our candy buckets are full by this point. They're going to be heavy. And now we're going to have our parents drive us to the house with the cool decorations. So I'm going to add another path. I think this one I'll make a different color so we can tell the difference. I think it maybe is dark blue. I'm going to call this one Cool Deco Route. And now, oops, move this out of the way and start drawing. So our parents are going to drive us down the street. To right here, and click OK, and now we've got our route planned. And what's really cool with these, like we've seen in the Google Earth Basics videos, I can right click on this and go to, and now click on this tour button right here, and we'll zoom in to the beginning of our route. And now it'll start showing how we're gonna go. Down this street, down that street, and now, when we're done, I can hit pause on this right here, and we're good to go. Maybe our parents might ask us, well, how far is that? Once again, this year's route, right-click Properties, Measurements, and that entire route, even with the zigzags, is just under 2 miles, which is what we wanted to do. So everything's looking good. When I'm done with all this, I'm going to File, Save My Places. And now this is what I want you to do. The same thing. Turn on all the layers you need to plan your new route, add a folder for that route, and then draw your path. And then make sure you're done. You save my places, and then come back for the next video and we'll wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and map your world.